welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today we are going to create this look here. Look at this look, look at this look. It's actually a lockdown look and it's for your Zoom parties, it's for your company Zoom calls. If you have an important company Zoom calls coming up that you want to make an amazing impression on your work colleagues, on your bosses, and you want to look good, you want to look put together, this is the look for you guys. I mean, who says you can't look good in lockdown? You know, so if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. It's free to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We are going to stick with browns and neutral colors. It's a lockdown look, so the eyeshadow is not going to be too crazy. I am going to start with my eyeshadow first. I am using LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee as a base. The concealer we're going to be going for today is Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and it's in the color 05 Brightener, and it's from Maybelline. I'm going to base the whole of my eye with this shade here because I want the eyeshadow to stand out a little bit. There it is. Even though it's not like in your face eyeshadow, I still want it to stand out. Morphe 3502, that's what we're going to be using, and we are going to go in for this shade here. I'm going to go in for this shade. So that's going to go on top of it. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. You know, in the UK, we're recently in lockdown. I'm just here to encourage you guys. We're all in the same boat together. People are having to work from home again. Now we're going to go in for this shade here. Most people are out of work. Those who have their own business, most of them are struggling at the moment. And I'm just here to encourage you. Do not feel like you're on your own. We're all in this together. All I'm gonna say is, guys, don't see this as a negative. Try and see the positive out of this as well. Most people didn't get enough time, like for myself, enough time to spend with the family. And for me, this has been an opportunity that I've been wanting, and it's helped me a lot to be able to spend quality time with my family, with my children, which is brilliant. So that is the positive that has come out of this. And also the other thing I'm going to say is, those of you who are out of work and feel like there's nothing they can do, I'm gonna urge you guys, there's so many things that you can do. You know, these days online is the way to go. Try and do something online. You can actually sell something online, or you have no qualification at the moment. Buy some stuff and sell them online, because that's where people are going at the moment. Online trading. You feel like your job is not going well, you feel like you needed extra income, online is the way to go. Use this time to actually reflect on your life. Get a schedule, do a plan, or, you know, list down all the stuff that you feel like you want to do. Even the stuff that you don't have any qualification for, just list them down. Anything that you're interested in, that you've always wanted to do, guys, this is the best time. This is the best time. Right, I think I am going to put a little bit of, I don't know why I'm getting into glitter lately. I'm just gonna go for invite only, so I'll just put a tiny on there, just a teeny tiny bit on there. I'm going to actually use the same brush that I've been using. I was using to apply the brown, and I will just dab it a little bit in the center. Oh, child, look at that. This is so gorgeous. Ooh. Can you guys see what I am doing? This is so gorgeous. I'm pressing it in. Let me just, oh gosh, this is so beautiful. Now we are going to be going for the eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'll be using today is the Maybelline New York Hyper Precise All Day. Today we are going to use Stunner Stunner lashes. I haven't used these lashes in a long time. Jobs are scarce at the moment, so there'll be a lot of competition. People will be looking for jobs, going back to work. What you can do to stand out is try and do some online courses. Go online, look for the courses that you can do to better yourself. Everything is out there for you. Search for it. So after the lockdown, you will be up there. You will be on top. Try and go for the ones that you can get a certificate at the end of it, and you'll be ready to go. And also, one thing I will say is you need to use this time to meditate. If you're a spiritual person, if you believe in God, this is the time that you should be meditating. You should be praying. Talk to him. Just go down on your knee and just talk to God. Just praise him, because there's so much depression out there. And I just feel like for me, it really, really helps me when I go on my knee and I pray to God and I ask him for, just ask for forgiveness. Anything that's on your heart that you want to talk to him about, just go on your knee, talk to him, thank him. No matter what is going on right now, you've still got your health. Before I put my lashes on, I'm going to put mascara on. The Lash Accelerator Endless from Rimmel. This lash mascara is very, very good. So with the mascara, for me, because I've got fine lines, I always say it helps the lashes to stick onto my lashes, because my lashes are very, very, very fine, like it's non-existent. I used to have like really, really nice thick long lashes, and I remember when I started wearing false lashes, the individual ones, I went to Ghana for holiday, and when I was on holiday, I went to this lash technique people to insert the individual eyelashes on my eye for me. I didn't know a lot about how it works, the individual lash, how it works, because I was just beginning to wear lashes. And I went to one of the eyelash technicians, to insert the individual lashes for me. And these people used a real glue to stick these individual lashes on. I was there for 4 weeks, and the whole entire 4 weeks, the lashes were glued on firmly, like not even one of it just came off. I was kind of happy. There's me thinking that I've done so well. I've looked after my lashes really well. So came back to UK after my holiday. Went to another eyelash technician for them to remove my lashes for me. So give me a minute, guys. I went all out. I am extra like that. So like I was saying, this is the time you should use to reflect on your life. You're going to be using the Estee Lauder foundation. I'm pouring it directly on. That's a lot of foundation. That is a lot. Just because you're in lockdown doesn't mean that you can't look good. You still need to look good in lockdown, because if you want to make first impression for your company Zoom calls, or even your company parties that you do on Zoom, just go all out and look good, because at the end of the day, when you're in lockdown, you hardly do anything to yourself. Right, so now we're going to be doing the under eye concealer. So we're using phone here this time. One other thing that you can do, take this time for your mental health. Take this time to do some exercise. Go for walks every evening. If you have kids, go for walks. Catch up with your family. To them about what is going on in their life. Take the opportunity to talk and get to know each other even more. If it's not enough in a house. Go for fresh air, because staying in the house all day as well is not healthy. So if you're one of those people who are housebound and you cannot go out because of this, in the evenings there's not that many people outside, so just go for walks. If you feel like you can't go out at all, then just do some exercise in the house. There's so many exercises that you can actually do in the house that you don't need to do in a gym. And it's actually very good for your mental health. You need that. Even if you have to jump up and down, just do that. Dance to your favorite music. That's good enough. Anything that makes you feel good. If it's listening to music that makes you happy, put your favorite music on. Read your favorite books. You can also watch movies on Netflix. All these stuff are going to help with your mental health. Make yourself happy, because we deserve it. We all deserve to be happy. one thing that is really important that somebody might need, please check on your friends and your family, because you don't know what they are going through. You do not know what they are going through, and your family in different countries don't know what they're going through either. It doesn't take that long to pick up a phone. If you feel like you do not have money to buy credit and all that stuff, there's WhatsApp there. How are you doing? It doesn't cost anything to call somebody and ask them how they are doing, because there's so many people out there who really are going through a lot. And if they need any help and you can help them in any other way that you can help them, possibly help them, because this is the time that we all need to help each other. A simple I love you. You don't know how much you're gonna help somebody just by doing that. I just feel like it's very, very, very important, you know, especially in these times and what we are going through right now. It's very important to do that. Oh guys, look what I got. Somebody got me this. This is actually an alarm. It's one of my Christmas presents. Please alert alarm. So when you're walking in the dark by yourself, you know, you need to have one of these. You need to have one of these. When you pull it, it makes so much noise. Yeah, it's just a little things that count. I think it's very cute. I've got this sponge. I haven't even used it yet. Yeah, I'm going to try it. Oh, okay, I've done it. It's from Barely, and it's not. It says not your average makeup sponge, definer soft from Barely. And ooh, look at that. I'm going to be using it now and see. It takes a lot of powder. This is actually really good. This is what's gonna blend everything in and make it look so seamless. It's a Hello Happy from Benefit. Let's rub it here. There you go. Ooh. I forgot my highlighter, so I guess we're gonna go for eyeshadow. So we'll be using this we'll be using this shade here for my highlighter. Hopefully it comes out well. Ooh, I do not buy blushes. I just use my eyeshadows as blushes. This is what I use. Look at this. Yes. So I like to bring it all the way here. Now we finished putting the eyelashes on the bottom lid. Guys, we're almost finished. Now we're going to do lipstick. It's a lockdown makeup. I'm not going anything too crazy for the lips, so we are going to use this lip gloss here from Pretty Glossy Lips. This is what we are using. Look at the packaging, is so gorgeous. And just keep it simple. Just nice and simple, guys. It's a lip gloss and it smells like chocolate. It's just gorgeous. We're gonna spray. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.